I made a bit of an effort this year to branch out a little bit and experience kits from other manufacturers. I haven't built like a Hella kit, like a modern Hella kit, since I was a kid, basically. So I wanted to try out some of their new yellow boxes. So I bought a few different things online, like I went for this, I built their Hellcat. Granted, yes, I know new is very loose terminology because a lot of these are very old toolings, which are Reeboks, but I do have their new Hawkeye. But I thought, because I love building model kits in a flying pose, that I would also get their display stands. Hello everyone, I'm Matt, this is Model Minutes, and join me on the workbench today as I just do a bit of a discussion. It's not going to be an unboxing as such, about the Hella display stands and why they kind of actually annoy me. So this is the Hella display stands. It's this big old box full of different stands for different aircraft scales. It says, 144, 172, etc. And there's 12 pieces in here. I don't know if that's 12 stands or if there's 12 parts, but we'll see. Anyway, there is a product code here. It's 95200, and my understanding is that this was actually introduced into their range around 2023. On the box on the back here, you can see that it says you can use it on different sizes of aircraft. It's suitable for loads of stuff. There's even a P40, which is what I've got. So you would think that it would be the perfect product for it. It comes in this fairly big box. I'm just going to quickly open it up and show you what we've got. A little bit of extra value. We've got this. This is a door hanger. Great. I don't really care. We also have instructions. So the instructions here, fairly simple, glue together the different parts. It has like a ball joint at the top. The arm goes together and then that gets slotted into the base. Or we have a slightly different version here, which is just stick the arm into the stand. Everything inside of the box comes wrapped quite sustainably, as you can see, in paper. There is a screw here. There's a screw taped to the box. What do I need the screw for? The screw is not mentioned by the looks of it on the... Oh no, it is. Sorry, it is. It's on this bit here. You screw in the side of the large stand together to hold the ball joint in place. I presume because you don't want to use glue, might it foul up the stand. Anyway, so let's have a look. What have we got? We've got one. Let's put that down. Big bit here. And a big bit. Oh, wow. Right, is that it? No, that's not everything that I got in the box, is it? Right, so we got one big base. I believe this comes from their Concorde kit, which is why there was a Concorde on the back. So we've got this massive display base stand here, and then we've got our display arm here, like that. So that gets built up. The screw goes in there to hold the ball joint in place. So this is Hella's one. Not amazing. I would probably paint this a different color. It looks okay. The molding's all right. It's a display stand, isn't it? It's massive. Got a big plane. This would probably be great for a 1/24 scale plane. Fairly chunky, fairly robust. And then the other sprue we got is this one. Okay. Is that it? Is that all I've got? Box is empty. Box is genuinely empty. So 12, say 12 pieces. So it's not 12 stands. It's literally one big stand, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's falling off already, look. 6 plastic parts. And then this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plastic parts. It's actually 12 parts. It's 12 parts across 3 stands. Oh, this is not good value, is it? I have a point about why I'm annoyed with this kit, and I haven't even got to that yet. I'm annoyed about something else now. So the big stand, I believe, is from their Concorde. The little stands are molded in clear plastic, as you can see there, and the molding is actually really good, but there is, I don't know if it'll show up on the camera, but there's an ICM logo at the top here. So this is actually a Reeboks of the ICM display stands. And in here, we have three. So 3 display stands here, small, medium, large. And then over there we have a big Concord one. It looks like it just has a little like mounting point on the top here, which you need to cut a slot for in the bottom of the plane. But they're really tiny, so I wonder if that would work particularly well. Right, okay. I thought that there were going to be 12 display stands in there, but there is only actually 4, and I really question if I'm going to be able to use the big one. So yeah, I'm just looking this way because I'm looking at my computer screen. On the website, and I'll put it on the video, it says display stands for aircraft. It doesn't explicitly say, like on the website, how many stands are included. I know in some social media they put it does have 4 stands included, but here it doesn't specifically say. It just says, you know, a selection of display stands. Oh no, it does. If I scroll down, it says the set includes 4 different sized aircraft stands. It says 4 different sized aircraft stands, but it doesn't say exclusively 4 different stands. So like the Airfix one, you get different sizes, but you get multiples of each, but it doesn't say only 4 stands. So maybe that's, yeah, it's not technically false advertising. It's not technically a lie because they kind of giving you the right information, but it's almost like the way I read it. It might just be me. I might be an idiot, but the way I read it, it's like ambiguous. And I got the implication that there were 4 different sizes included, and there might be more than one of each size because it said there were 12 parts. But obviously it's one of each size and there's only 4. That's annoyed me. The most amazing thing about this is that they're retailing this for €16.99, which if we convert to GBP is about £15. That's kind of crazy, actually. I initially thought I was going to get more in the box. Granted, yeah, we've got massive display stand. We've got this massive white one here. That's a lot of plastic. Granted, that is a lot of plastic for a display stand. But like 15 quid for this, just it doesn't fit right with me. I would probably say it should be cheaper than that, seeing as I can only really use it on 4 aircraft. That's not great value. Anyways, the whole point that I came to make this video was not to complain about the price and not to complain about the fact that there's only 4 in there, or to complain about the fact that we've got regurgitated display stands that are an aftermarket add-on. They're almost like an afterthought. And also don't forget that one of them is reboxed from ICM. The problem I have is that if you're going to, as a company, offer a product as a complementary accessory to your product range, then you need to think about how it works with your product. Now, other companies, when they have a display stand included, for example, they will give you the option to raise the landing gear of the aircraft. They'll have a crew figure and they'll have somewhere in the bottom of the aircraft where you can attach it. It's a complementary product. The display stand acts in concert with the features that you've designed into your kit. Unfortunately, none of the Hella kits that I've bought, and I bought 4 this year. I bought this one, I bought the Hellcat, I bought a Mirage, and I bought the Hawkeye, the new Hawkeye. Not one of them comes with crew figures, and I don't think any of them technically come with a raised landing gear option either, unless you modify the kit. Additionally, not one of them has any indication on the model that it can be used with a display stand. There's no molded slots, which you then cut out. There's nothing on the instructions. And I mean, that makes sense given that these are not native to Hella. These are ICM, so there would be no crossover. These are just thrown out there. And also, this one is never going to work with this, is it? So this product annoys me. This annoys me quite a bit. Obviously, other people may really like this. This is just my opinion, but I don't understand. I don't understand why you would have these display stands for such a high price. You get so few of them, and they're not technically compatible with your own products. So Hella, if you're watching, please make some kind of product display stand that is compatible with your existing product range. granted, I know you can't do anything about the old toolings like this. It doesn't come with a pilot. It doesn't come with a hole in the bottom for the plane. It doesn't come with a raised landing gear option. Like, where's my box? Like, you look on here, every single one of these planes has the wheels down. Granted, I know you can't necessarily do anything about that with the old toolings, but like if you're doing this moving forwards, and yes, okay, I'm a bit late to the party because this was a 2023 release, but make it compatible, make it a complementary product, make it like how other companies do. It's an accessory and it works with your product range. You've designed in the fact that it's going to be part of it. And on that, I think I'm going to call it there. Obviously, this is probably my most disappointing purchase this year. I'm not saying don't go and buy it. If you want display stands, absolutely. If you can get them cheap enough and it holds value to you. But in my case, I am a little bit annoyed by this product. And on that bombshell, I'm going to end this video here because I think I've spoken enough about it. I'd like to give a quick shout out to my Model Club members for the extra support they give the channel. Massive thanks to these guys on screen. And if you'd like to get the perks that these guys get, like monthly live streams and early access to videos, check out the links in the description. There are other ways to support the channel as well. And again, full info is below the video. The best way to support this channel for free, though, is by subscribing with notifications turned on so you never miss a modeling upload. Finally, though, last thing to say is a massive thank you to you for watching this one, and I'll catch you on the workbench again next time.